Today I want to show you how to sample in FL Studio. I'm going to sound a bit froggy on this one, I've got the flu, but I really wanted to share this one with those of you who are still new to FL Studio or those of you who don't really know how to sample, those of you who are dragging and dropping a sample into FL Studio and putting drums and bass over the sample and then getting a copyright, this one's for you as well. So the sample we are going to use here is from Cymatic's Slayer Beta Pack. I've always been a big fan of Cymatic samples because the quality is top notch. So you can see our samples BPM and tempo are marked. To make life easier, we're going to make our BPM the same as the sample. If you don't know the BPM of your sample, you can use various websites and programs to help you. It's just a Google search away. If we were to drag our sample into the playlist, it should line up perfectly. If not, click on the sample and bring up Stretch Pro as you see me doing here. Make sure you have your metronome on to help you line things up. Now you could chop these up into small little pieces in the playlist and rearrange them to taste, though that is incredibly time consuming, dare I say it, even freaking frustrating. What I would recommend you do is pull up Fruity Slicer or Fruity Slicer on steroids, also known as Slicex. When we enter Fruity Slicer, the slices are going to be intense. We can go to the cut tool and select beat. This will have it slice into bigger, more workable slices, and again, they're also on time without beat. If you get weird clicks, it's because you need to adjust the attack, and the decay adjustment will also help those transitions sound more natural. So now if we have a look at the piano roll, we have our beats from 1 to 65. Here you can go wild, keep moving and playing with these notes, putting them wherever feels good. This is how you flip a sample. You can then go back to Slicex and even reverse individual slices to get an even more unique sound. Play with the pitch, time stretch individual notes. There's a lot you can do here in Fruity Slicer to make everything sound unique. It's these small adjustments that will set you apart from the drag and drop community. Though I'd probably be a millionaire by now if I just had the Unison MIDI chord pack. Okay, so let's shorten this. So I'm gonna spend some more time adjusting this mess I've made and then we'll continue. I think I'm gonna add a drum loop because that usually makes things better. Okay, so here's what I've got. I really like how the sample sounds, but it still sounds close to the original, so I'm going to add some plugins. You can use whatever feels good here. You can use gross beat, half time, and more to really change the sound of the sample in weird ways. Again, I'm going to go with some cymatics plugins. The only limit here is your imagination. Now, I know that sounds like something Barney the dinosaur would say, but maybe, just maybe, he was a producer just like you. Guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, we appreciate your support. If you want us to do more videos like these, let us know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and all the other good stuff. And have an amazing day.